Hello everyone, this is Marlon Carter again out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. You may have missed the Hangout, the Power Lead System Hangout on last night, but that's why I'm sending this to you so you can learn more about what the Power Lead System is all about. This is the Hangout that we do every Wednesday night, and Neil Guest is the one that's going to be presenting this video. I think Neil, but anyway, take a look at it and find out for yourself how you can start making an income from home with this marketing system. And if you already have a business opportunity that you are promoting, this system can be beneficial to your financial growth and the growing of your business that you have. But anyway, take a look at this Hangout video. It won't take long, but you'll learn more about in depth about what the Power Lead system is all about. Welcome to the Power Lead System Hangout. My name is Marlon Carter. Maybe you have pre-enrolled, or maybe you are looking to enroll, but either way, just click the link to the Hangout and we will go from there. You will find a link to this very hangout at the bottom of this video, and I'm gonna just show you a few highlights, let you listen to a few words that he's saying before you even go to the video. Here's a glimpse of the hangout, which we enjoy every Wednesday night. All right, take care. I said take care, but take.
All right, guys, I'm going to go on some PowerPoint and give you an overview of Power Lead System. And we are at work now. We're back to work, building your business, building our business, teaching, preaching, and selling Power Lead System all over the place. That's what we do here. Tonight is Wednesday night. We do a webinar style hangout where I share with you a concept, an idea, not mandatory. Nothing's mandatory in the world of the entrepreneur. You can do whatever you want to do with this thing. And that's part of what I want to talk about. But the second thing I really want to focus on tonight is how you can use Power Lead System with a ready-made blueprint, a marketing and business plan and blueprint, an execution style game plan that's been designed to create for you $500 days and $1,000 days on the internet, not with 500 customers, not with 1,000 customers, not with the 3 to 5 year plan, not with the realistically, it's the 13 to 15 year plan, right? Because people keep failing at that 3 to 5 year plan year after year after year after year, and they've been in the game 15 years.
Okay, that's just a glimpse of the video that you will see. Click on the link down in the description part. It would take you to this hangout, which was has been recorded on Wednesday night. So I'm giving you the a recording of it that happened on Wednesday night, and you can decide for yourself to get started, start rolling with us with the Power Lead System. I am Marlon Carter, the elder Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and I am your sponsor. Maybe you have received my link to join already, and maybe you haven't made up your mind. Maybe this hangout will help you make up your mind to come on in and be a part of my group, which I would be your sponsor, Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. You all have a wonderful day or night. Enjoy the video. Bye-bye.